In an afternoon dedicated to elegance and style, L'Oréal Paris and Deepika Padukone celebrated 20 momentous years of the brand as official makeup partner for Festival de Cannes. The newly appointed global brand ambassador Deepika Padukone unveiled the Cannes Collection 2017 inspired by the theme Life at Cannes and launched her signature look for day and night. L'Oréal Paris announced that Deepika would be walking the red carpet at the event on 17th and 18th of May along with international co-ambassadors Julianne Moore and Suzanne Sarandon, amongst others. Through the Cannes collection, L'Oréal Paris is all set to showcase the tranquility, pristine landscape and stunning colors of the French Riviera and weaves together stories of cinema and beauty effortlessly. Deepika Padukone chose to wear a Alexander McQueen cutaway dress with puff sleeves, looking graceful as ever as she spoke about the Cannes 2017 collection as well as a promotion of Padmavati at Cannes, the immense success of Bahubali, the conclusion, and of course, you cannot miss her answer on Priyanka Chopra's Met event gala trench coat dress, which has been the talk on social media for days now. Check Deepika Padukone out.
So much legacy that's attached to the Cannes Film Festival, the kind of people who attend, the kind of directors who are going to be there. So I think all of that put together, I think it's going to be an amazing experience. And obviously I'm proud of not just representing the brand but also representing the country. Every film has its own sort of journey, and if it's meant to happen, it will happen. As far as I know, Padmavati is definitely scheduled to release in, I think, November this year, and that's what it is for now. But if life has different plans for us and for this film, then let's see. And if not Padmavati, then maybe some other film. That the possibilities are endless and limitless. That's why I do a XXX, and that's why Priyanka does what she does. Because there's no limit to creativity. There's no limit to anything in life, actually. And that's exactly what it is. And, whether it's us as Indians representing India globally, or whether it is a Bahubali, which is a regional film, which we understand is a regional film that's breaking barriers and crossing boundaries from their region, and that's become such a huge success. That's exactly what it is, that the possibilities are endless. I've always looked at everything as an opportunity and what you make of those opportunities. For me, or for her, I'm sure, the opportunity is not about what we're wearing, but it's really about the opportunity and the privilege of being at an event like that. And that's what my focus was. My focus was to feel good in what I wear. Some people might like what I wear, some people might not like what I wear. But I think the intention is always to have fun, whether it's with what you're wearing or the event that you're going to or the people that you're going to meet, because those are the memories that last forever. And I think the only time, well, I can't speak for her, but the only time that I would truly be concerned about what I wear is if my mother gave me flack for something that I wore, or if my girlfriends gave me flack for something that I wore. I think that's the only time I would probably allow any sort of comment to even enter my life.